So some of the application area of the AI. So yeah, so we briefly introduce some of them. For example, computer vision is one of the most cutting edge or so killer application of machine learning is the auto driving. Okay, auto driving, autopilot. So we cannot understand all the things by using computer vision. For example, today for the visual impairment, so for the blind people, so definitely we cannot ask him or her to wear a AR glasses and then use the AI, for example, Ray-Ban or Rolit, this kind of AI AR glasses. We are not confident to ask them to wear this kind of glasses and then use the machine learning to understand the situations of the world and then use the voice to the blind people, to the visual impairment people. We do not have this kind of confidence. Computer vision is not yet ready for this. But for some narrow application, we are ready to do it. For example, this one, autopilot. Because for the autopilot, for the GPS data, and for the computer visions, the things on the road is pretty limited. Yeah, the things you can find on the road most likely is the traffic light you need to care. Most likely is the car you need to care. Most likely is the people, bicycle you need to care. The number of objects in the autopilot is limited. So that's why we have the confidence. And today, this is autopilot or auto driving is one of the, we will say, the promising application of the computer vision and AI model. Yeah, so it's easy to do the object detections of the car, so of the traffic light, person, of the road, etc. So we just focus on something that we are interested, and then we can estimate their size. So it's easy to do the autopilot. And this kind of relationship can be learned by neural network, can be learned by this kind of role situation by the AI easily. Another will be the health science. So there are lots of research that can handle the image data. They can handle, here is the diabetic, the eyes photo of the diabetic people to say that they have the diabetics on the eyes or not. So cancer data is also. So similar to cats and dogs, we try to find out the feature inside the image data and then to identify they have the symptoms or not. And there are other application areas. For example, we will learn the conversions in this next lesson. We will learn the natural language processing later on. We will learn all this kind of application touch or will page a little bit application on it. So yeah, we will learn the image classification next lessons to classify apple, orange, to classify the sleep procedure. And then we will learn object detection that we will touch a little bit. So if you want to pay more, you can download the Google Lens or even today Google search or some of the mobile phone. So you can just highlight the image that you want to know and then search from the Google. So it's easy or it's really interesting to find out lots of the information on the web. For example, you cannot identify what is the species of this plants or this insect or this animal, etc. You can just go to the image lens and then you can definitely find lots of the information. So face detection is easy. Today you have lots of the examples to identify case. So you can identify the Peter. Even now, if you just capture my face, put it into Google search, definitely you can find the my image because it's a professor. Our data is already public data on the Googles or on the internet. Natural language processing chatbot. We will talk about this one and then how to identify or how to do the natural language processing and then what is the behind, what is the characteristics behind, what is the algorithm behind. We'll also play with this one later on. Natural language processing translation is one of the interesting application area. So honestly, this one is nothing special, right? Today, lots of the people you have the experience in AI. And that's it. So chatbot, speed to text will experience. And then the most important thing is we'll move to your first AI application in RS1000 poster detection. So I will try to go through the online exercise with you, and then you can start to do your online exercise. So let's move to our first online exercise and experience.